Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you which fuses to check in case power locks are not working on your vehicle. Now this will apply to these buttons on the door and also on the buttons on your key fob. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2020. If you have 2021 or newer, the location of fuses will be a bit different. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Now all of the fuses will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel. It's a bit hard to access it and probably the easiest through this opening right here. So when I pull this towards yourself, and you will see fuses deep inside. I will try to turn on the flash on my phone. Okay, you see a fuse box there. Now one option is doing it through here if you can reach it, or if not, then you can do it through down here. You see my hand, and remove any of the fuses. It's a bit hard to honestly reach it, but it's doable. Okay, so I'll try to zoom in a bit. Now the first fuse to check will be fuse number 3, which is a 20 MPL of fuse located just up here. This is the one. So third fuse from the top. And this is the fuse responsible for driver door power locks. Okay, and then next you'll have fuses number 24, 25 and 26. They'll also be all the way on the top. I'll try to reach them. So you'll have it one right here. It's a 20 amp fuse. That's a fuse number 24, responsible for power 2. It's central lock unlock, so for all power locks. And then under it, fuse number 25 and 26, which are 30 amp green fuses. I'm sorry, I can't really record this better, it's hard to reach. And those two fuses are responsible for power 2 driver door and the passenger door. So you have a total of 4 fuses to check. Now if all of these fuses are good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper. You want to test the power door switches, you want to check the wiring, especially make sure to check the wiring right here at the door jamb, right? Wires behind this rubber sleeve can get damaged and break, and that can cause all kinds of problems. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.